week where Kenya has now moved to scale up its participation in COVID-19 vaccine trials at a time when a US-based company, Moderna, has filed for the US and European emergency regulatory approval for its vaccine to be recommended for widespread use in fighting the coronavirus. This coming as 17 patients succumbed to the virus in Kenya, pushing the number of total fatalities to 1,469, while 302 new cases were also reported. Nancy Okware with the rush by the globe to find a working vaccine for the virus that is ravaging nations with devastating effects.
The National Emergency Response Committee on COVID-19 has resolved to expand its mandate to cover matters related to efforts towards finding a vaccine. After holding a consultative meeting, Kemri Wellcome Trust says that before the end of the year, there will be 60,000 participants in trials for the vaccine being developed in collaboration with AstraZeneca, Oxford University, Kenya, United Kingdom, Brazil, South Africa, Japan, United States of America, and India. The participants will be drawn from the 7 countries, with Kenya also set to partner with South Korea, India, Singapore, and China, among others. This coming as Moderna is filing for US and European emergency regulatory approval for its coronavirus vaccine so that it can be recommended for widespread use. Regulators will look at trial data for the mRNA vaccine and decide if it is safe and effective enough to recommend for rollout. Clinical studies show the jab is more than 94% effective at protecting people from becoming ill with COVID-19. Pfizer, which has a similar jab, has already filed for the same US approval. On Monday, the country recorded a positivity rate of 9.94% after 302 people tested positive from 3,038 samples tested. This now pushes the total caseload to 83,618. Nairobi accounted for 134 of the new cases, followed by Kajiado at 26, Kisumu 17, Kitui, Nyeri and Marsabit 16 each, while Meru, Mombasa and Machakos each had 13 new cases. The number of fatalities also continued to surge to 1,469 after 17 more patients lost their lives. So far, 55,344 patients have recovered, both from the home care isolation and hospital. At the moment, 1,282 patients are admitted in hospital, while 8,405 are under home care isolation. 72 patients are in the intensive care unit, while 20 are in the high dependency unit. Nancy Okware, Channel 1 News.